Crystal Gayle Memorial Award 2023, constituted by the Riti Academy of Visual Arts, Shillong, is conferred upon individuals of the state for excellence in literature and visual media. The award ceremony was held today, the 12th of August 2023, at the Raj Bhavan, Shillong, where the Governor of Meghalaya, Phagu Chauhan, graced the occasion as chief guest, while the Minister of Arts and Culture, Paul Lyngdoh, attended the event as guest of honor. Other dignitaries present included the Commissioner and Secretary to the Governor, B.D.R. Tiwari, besides the Chairman of Riti Academy of Visual Arts, Rafael Wadri, distinguished guests, family members of Rafael Wadri, noted author Bijoya Sawian, family members of late Koshant Sumer, and others. This year, the award was conferred upon noted author, visual media expert, sportsman, scholar and entrepreneur Yan Andrew Lyngdoh Nongkynrih for excellence in literature and visual media. On the same day, two awards were constituted in the name of late Koshant Sumer and late Sumar Singh Sawian for their contribution in the fields of arts and literature. By Ian Nongkynrih, the book called Ficus Cassiana, then Finding the Living Village, and television program A Day in the Village.
But at this moment, in this particular ceremony, we have considered, we have moved a little bit away from the performing art, from the visual art, and from the other, creative activities which is performed on stage or elsewhere. But it is based on certain things that to do with creativity only, which I have told earlier. Even literature also is part of the arts, which this time it's we consider that the panel jury that we are sitting, and we have give a very good thought upon it, and we thought that this is
आज मैं राजभवन के ऐतिहासिक दरबार हॉल में रीति एकेडमी ऑफ विजुअल आर्ट और क्रिस्टल गेल मेमोरियल अवार्ड 2023 के समारोह में आप सभी माननीय अतिथियों का हार्दिक स्वागत और अभिनंदन करता हूँ। जैसा कि मुझे बताया गया है, पिछले 3 दशकों से शिलांग की एकेडमी ऑफ विजुअल आर्ट के ने कला के क्षेत्र में महत्वपूर्ण अवस्थान प्राप्त करने में एक लंबा सफर तय किया है, जो इनके द्वारा किए गए लंबे संघर्ष मेहनत का परिणाम है। विजुअल आर्ट एक व्यापक क्षेत्र है जिसमें आंखों से देखी जाने वाली फोटोग्राफी, फिल्म, नाटक, डांस, म्यूजिक आदि कलाएं आती हैं। ये सभी कलाएं आपने दर्शकों को अपनी जड़ों में जोड़ने और भावनाओं को अमूर्त रूप में अभिव्यक्त का सिरे पर माध्यम है। राज्य में विजुअल आर्ट के लगातार विकास के लिए व्यावसायिक शैक्षणिक संस्थानों को अथक प्रयास करने की आवश्यकता है।